So, Big Clive on YouTube made me buy this from Alibaba.com. Let's unbox it. Oh, and by the way, I really do like Milwaukee's fastback knives, especially with a made in Japan Tajima blade, looking and being sharp at once. This is, by the way, a crimping tool to add light bulb sockets to your housing. And I got light bulb sockets in gold. Aren't they beautiful? Also, other lamp parts and power adapters. Yeah. And that wraps it up for today. I hope you're looking forward to see some light-related projects in the future.